I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over the ClickUp Notepad. I find it to be really helpful for me to take notes while I'm working. I can save a link that I need to just paste somewhere so I don't forget it, or a hex code that I need it for, something like that. I can use a notepad. For me, it's a little different than reminders. Reminders are more, in my opinion, are more reminding me to, oh, this needs to be done by the end of the day, or don't forget to call this person, or prep for this call, or, something like that. So if you haven't watched my video about reminders, make sure you catch that. Well, I'll put the link in the show notes. So the notepad right down here at the bottom, there's a little square icon. If you click on that, the notepad will be right here. And then this is the notepad. So if I, called it video notes and hit create, then I can rename it. I can archive it. I can delete it. I can convert to a task right from here, which is fantastic. And then this little icon will live on the different websites that I go to because I have the Chrome extension here. So I highly recommend doing that. If you haven't watched the how to download ClickUp video, it will go through the different ways to download it or use the app or the browser or something like that. That's all in that video. So as for the note, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And if we do the slash mark, this gives us all the different options of what we can actually put into our notes. But for this one, just as the example, I'm going to do the checklist. So let's say item 1, item 2, item 3. Now we've created ourselves a checklist to do that. If we need to do something else, let's say we want to, maybe you want to embed a bullet list or a table. Maybe you want to embed Google Sheet or a Google Doc, you can do that. And then you can also maybe take your notes here and then turn it into a task if you need to, all from here. You also can print the description. You can see the history between it. You can make it a full screen. And then again, you can convert it to a task. So from here, you just go back, and then you can show archive notes. And if I had a video notes number 2, then you can see that I have a second note. Maybe if I need to make that one first, whatever, you can do that in there. So I find the notepad to be super, super helpful when I'm working on something and I don't want to distract myself or go open a Google Doc. The notepad works really, really well for that. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. If you're looking for additional support or help getting set up in ClickUp and using it effectively, there's a link below with where you can book a free call and we can figure out how I can support. All right, thank you.